So I'm doing a quick overview of what my current portfolio is in crypto. So it's kind of similar to what I've done before in the past. For May, my elements are like this investing journey I started, but I'm kind of late right now because it's past June, so I missed the June one. So it's just a quick overview of what I currently have. So from last month, I'm using the JDI dashboard, and the current holdings I have right now are Babydoge, BNB, Cat coins, and some lip disc coins, and other ones I just sold. So I just want to show quickly my biggest holdings, the Babydoge. So this one has been very successful, as well as this other one, the Cat one. If we look back at here, I can see I had 34 million of them last month. They're only worth $43. And right now I sold most of them. I have 8 million. But these 8 million worth about 45. So it's pretty comparable. See? So I did like a 3 or 4x, somewhere around there. I sold most of them. Babydoge, doing good. I also have some stuff on the plugin side. So over here on this dashboard, JDI Yield, I have a little bit of money here as well. And over on this farm, if you can see, I have a little bit of money here as well. And the last thing I'll show you is there's this cool launchpad. So it's not a farm. It's like a launchpad where you buy these coins and you have access to these new coins that they release on their platform. I also have some coins in here. The Memepad, and they're launching a project called Lancer. So I still get these coins to try it out. So you buy them, and it lets you get an allocation in this project early. That's basically what it is. So overall, I would say the portfolio right now is mostly carried by the Babydoge, and I have about close to 3,000 of the Babydoge in dollars. Now, from what I did last month, did add a little bit of money from the ShakePay, so I'll keep that in mind. But most of this money is actually from this Babydoge, so I'm not gonna say I did anything too special. I just put money into this guy, and he made all my money. So that's good for Tizo. And I know to keep the yield farming series and make some more videos on that as well. So anyways, thanks for watching.